Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the display enclosure. Removal. Remove the Pogo board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the display enclosure. Remove the two 4.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the Pogo board to the display enclosure. Carefully remove the Pogo board connections from the cutouts in the display enclosure and remove. Place the Pogo board into a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the Pogo board from the static dissipative bag. Place the Pogo board connections into the cutouts in the display enclosure. Replace the two 4.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the Pogo board to the display enclosure.